Hey everyone, welcome to our brand new interior design project here in the heart of Brooklyn Heights. Come on inside.
So this place might look a little different than our normal befores. This place looks pretty great. It actually has been renovated. It is in a historic building, but it doesn't have a lot of detail and character. And so we can't wait to get our hands on it because we're building all that into it.
This is such a fun project for us. Usually our projects are 9 months to a year and a half, and this one we are doing in just a couple of weeks. We took this project on because we fell in love with the client. She currently lives in a brownstone. She raised her entire family, and it was time for her to downsize, which we really respect. And we're excited to transform this gorgeous 3-bedroom apartment into her forever home. Let's take a look through each space.
So we're here in the entryway, and just like in a brownstone, a lot of times the entryway is where you really see so much of that character. Plaster detail, there's beautiful wood, there's the gorgeous newel post, and we want this entryway to also have that type of charm. And so this is where we're bringing in some of that architectural detail. So we're putting in wainscoting along the wall, we're painting it a beautiful color, so we're bringing in that architectural detail here, and that's gonna wrap all the way into the living space.
Yeah, this area is really long and narrow, so we're excited to bring in this paneling here, and we're gonna add 2 tones of paint colors to kind of give the illusion that the room's longer and also a little bit taller in the ceiling height.
So right back through this way is the open kitchen, living, and dining space. This is a really beautiful space already, but it has a few problem areas. First of all, we have a big blank wall here. There's no detail on it. We're working in a little bit of architectural detail here as well. So we're gonna add some picture frame molding, and we're gonna add some wall sconces to this wall just to give it a little bit more character. And then in this room, in the living room, one of the big problems in this room is actually one that also looks pretty nice, is this big built-in on the wall.
Yeah, furniture placement was definitely important here. And with this beautiful built-in that the previous owner had put in, while it's gorgeous, it kind of interrupts where we can place furniture. And after talking to our client and having the understanding that she loves her TV, she loves family time, we knew that this living room area was very important for us to put in a very comfortable couch while she can watch TV. And we knew that the only way is to kind of lengthen this room by putting in the couch against this wall. So I'm really excited to take this out, lay out our new furniture, add in some historical elements, and really transform the space with color. Right now, I'm seeing a lot of white walls everywhere, a lot of white everywhere I turn, including the kitchen. So we're just kind of warming up this space.
And this, we're gonna have the same picture frame and sconces on this wall as well. Gonna make it a little cozier feeling. And in the kitchen, we're doing something very similar. So this is a very bright white kitchen. It has aspects of it that are very beautiful. The marble is gorgeous, but we wanna warm it up a little bit. So we're gonna make some very small changes in this kitchen to do that. We're gonna change these shelves out to wooden shelves to bring in some warmth. And we're also gonna add some pendants over the island just to kind of make the lighting a little bit cozier and a little bit more homey feel.
Now let me show you the bedrooms. So like I said, it's 3 bedrooms here. We are going to keep the 3 bedrooms. Again, we're not doing any structural work, which I'm really excited for, but we are gonna turn this first room in here into a really nice office workspace. She does work from home, and I'm really excited because this room is gonna be a beautiful color drench. We're gonna do a built-in desk over here and some custom millwork in this area so she can put her existing couch, additional storage, which we all need. Let's check out the primary room and the guest bedroom. Going down this long hallway, we have a second bathroom here. Again, a lot of white in this space, so we're just gonna add some paint here. Simple touch that will really go a long way. Back here, over on my right-hand side, we have that guest bedroom. This was a kid's bedroom. You know, as her kids will visit here, she wants this space to be inviting and for her kids to be able to stay the night with her. So we're gonna transform this into a functional guest bedroom with a queen-size bed.
And last but not least, we have the primary suite on this side, which is a really beautiful room. As you walk in, you have the bathroom on the left-hand side here, which we're leaving pretty much as is. We have a really nice little walk-in closet. Right now it doesn't have a door, so we're gonna add a pocket door onto it. And then as we step through, we are in the primary bedroom. We have a lot of space in this room. It's gonna be very beautiful. We're gonna add some lime wash on the wall, give it some texture, give it a little bit of depth, and it's gonna be a gorgeous gorgeous space.
Really looking forward to this project. Stay tuned. Again, this is a 3 to 4 week project for us. Our furniture has been ordered. We're getting materials in. Barry and I got to get to work. So subscribe to our channel, follow the next update on this project, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye everyone.